Hey gang, Firefighter Weiler here to talk to you about something you might have seen a lot, but you might not know a lot about. That's right, we're here to talk about smoke detectors. Do you guys know what smoke alarms are and why they should be installed in your home? That's right. Smoke alarms help protect families by making a very loud beeping noise to warn that smoke is in the air or a fire has started. Sometimes, especially at night, when people are sleeping, they may not see fire, smell smoke, or wake up in time to get out safely. Smoke alarms provide an early warning signal for escape from fire. Let me demonstrate what a smoke alarm looks like. This is what a typical smoke alarm will look like in your home or business. Now let's listen to what one sounds like going off. You hear that? Sounds like smoke. What should you do if you hear a smoke alarm sound? That's right, you need to follow your home fire escape plan and get out fast. Do you know where smoke alarms should be installed in your house? Smoke alarms should be installed on every level of the home, including the basement. For extra safety, install smoke alarms both inside and outside the sleeping area. Smoke alarms should be installed on the ceiling or on the sidewall 6 to 8 inches below the ceiling. How often do you think the batteries in smoke alarms should be changed? That's right! Batteries should be changed at least once a year and tested monthly to make sure they are working. Alright, so I'm going to show you where the batteries go here on a smoke alarm. We'll go back to this image. See this little trap door right here? You're just going to pull that down with your thumb, and that should access the battery chamber. You're going to want to press the test button on there to make sure it's working properly after you change those batteries. And don't forget, you want to keep those clean of dust. Now, in conclusion, here's a few things to make sure you keep your home safe from fire and help make sure the grown-ups remember to do these now. Put smoke alarms in the home, especially near bedrooms. Test smoke alarms monthly to make sure they are working, and replace with brand new batteries at least once a year. Well, that about wraps up everything I have to say about smoke alarms. Do you guys have any more questions? Alright, well, have a good day, guys. Thanks for listening to my talk.